Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Now in today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW 3 Series guys, and we're going to discuss if your power seats do not work, what could be wrong with that. So stay with us and we'll do that. In the meantime guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on that BMW, so please hit that subscribe button for more videos. Now BMW uses 3 different fuse boxes for that 3 Series, so you always have to double check that it's the one you need. Always consult your manual to make sure that it's the correct fuses. So if your power seats guys, left or right, do not work for some reason, we will explain which 4 fuses are for the seats, and you need to double check those before you start taking things apart. Always check the fuses first because that's the easiest thing to do. So let's go ahead now. Okay, and we need to go to the passenger side of the car because we need to locate the fuse box, which is located right behind the glove box. Okay, so let me show you where it is now. Right here now. Underneath, open the glove box. Okay, check that cover out now. We need to go ahead, pull that thing out, turn them 90 degrees, pull that thing out. Now, we have 4, I believe it's 4 fuses for the seats. So let's start on that thing now. The first fuse will be guys, first one will be number 32. Fuse number 32. So, if you come here, okay, that yellow one is fuse number 31. The next to it will be 32. So that second row will be the first fuse on top. I'll get the fuse pull from right here. Okay, like that. We'll be using the big part. Okay, and we'll go ahead. Okay, grab the fuse and pull it out. The replacement fuses will be listed in the description of the video below, the ones that we use and the one that we use all the time. So I'll go ahead, push it in. This is one of them, number 32. Next one is fuse number 33 guys. So 32 we remove, 33 is the one right next to it, on top. That's another fuse. Then you have fuse number 37. Okay, 37 is the one right below 33. Okay, 33 is on top. The middle one here, okay, this one right here, it's number 37. Check this one as well. And then you have fuse number 49. 49 is the one, okay, it's that block right here of 6 fuses. Okay, it's the one on the very bottom on the right side. This fuse is for the power seats as well. This is for the seat module, the seats and all that stuff. So check all those 4 fuses guys, and hopefully it's one of them that fixes the problem. So hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.